This is our apartment, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, hi ladies and gentlemen, this is your VJ and DJ speaking here. I want to say hello to the people in MySpace, Facebook, YouTube, Kasimba, Sonico, Break.com, Dix, and other video network. Okay, as of today, we just came from church from the baptism of my nephew, baby Travis, right here in New York. We just came to church, and we had a great time. Also, last month, during the camp session, we have a new Swedish girl. We have a new Swedish Cutie. As of Saturday, June 18, 2011, we have a new leader who's going to replace the old Swedish Cutie. The old Swedish Cutie started on May 28, towards the end of May 2008. She started as a new Swedish girl to work in camp club. Then she was at webcams, Liza, Stream Mate, on live, and she was known as the Swedish lady in camp contact. But nevertheless, when Spread for You and Camp Harry's, along with Camp Club, when Camp Club was sold to Campscom, Sweetish Cutie wasn't found in Campscom, but we don't know where she went. So in that year in Campscom, when that emerged, another girl took over to assist Sweetish Cutie. She goes by the name of Catty Wild. Catty Wild is also known in camp contacts and live jasm as Wildcat, but in street name she is known as X-Wild Lady and Kishka. In webcams, she's known as Triple S Wildcat, but in live jasm she's known as Wildcatty. And she's been there before. She has assisting her for 2 years, and we discovered that Sweetish Cutie had vanished and her profile has disappeared. And according to the webmaster, Sweetish Cutie have retired this year recently, was telling goodbye. Why? Because her studies was holding her up. So there's no other way that Sweetish Cutie could take her own lead, so she had to give up that lead. Then there was a new girl that's gonna take the Swedish team. She goes by the name Sweetish Cute. Her name is Alex. Everybody thought that Sweetish Cute is another Mary. No, but Alex is just Sweetish Cute. Sweetish Cute, as before, was Mary. The one that was named Catty Wild, it was also Mary too, considered as the new Sweetish Cutie number 2. Then around in 2009, we met another girl, which is another cutie. She goes by the name of Angela. She used to be another cutie angel. She became Cutie Angel. Somehow they blocked her. She became Special Kiss. But she became the new Swedish girl. And since Sweetish Cute registered through StreamMate and live webcams and live jasm, we thought that Sweetish Cute was going to appear in Camp Contacts. What happened? Why she didn't appear in the Campscom? But I would prefer that she come with us and register to come. Then she can have a fan club. So everything is screwed up. So we chose Angela to assist Catty Wild. By looking at the webmaster and the camp company, when Sweetish Cutie retired, we chose Catty Wild to take the lead. Then Angela and Alex are gonna be assisting Catty Wild. Well, Sweetish Cutie, welcome back. Catty Wild, congratulations. This is your VJ George. We have photos of Sweetish Cutie. She was a schoolgirl. I really miss her. And she was wearing jeans. And he's Catty Wild with her miniskirt, and she was wearing the white tops, yellow tops, all the colors tops. And we have a new girl, Sweetish Cute, and another one called Angela. And you can see those pictures. Well, this is your VJ George. I'm gonna be heading to my brother's house to celebrate my nephew first baptism. This is your VJ George. Back to our show.